Welcome back to part 2 of the R6 rebuild series. I'm very behind on editing videos, but the R6 since has been running now. In this video, we'll go ahead and remove the stickers, change out the rear seat lock, replace the gas cap, change the oil, remove the passenger pegs, remove the reflectors, and then finally start the bike. Yeah. Enjoy. Here we are unboxing almost everything for the R6. We got 300V. Random parts from Yamaha. We got the ignition right here. Hey, lava. Okay. The nice blue gas cap. Got the driven gas cap to replace the one they busted completely with the nice anodized blue. And filter for the oil change. And we got some super light lithium battery to replace the one that died. Might as well upgrade. 116 bucks. Then we got the Yoshi fender eliminator, since we're missing the one on the bike as of right now, to replace it. Are you going on the bike too? Come on, pretty bad. So, the reason why I didn't end up including the lithium battery install, one, it's easy. Two, I burned through 2 stators with that lithium battery in, so I ended up swapping it out, putting a factory Yuasa back in it, and the problem went away. So unfortunately, I'm no longer running the anti-gravity lithium battery. You see me unboxing it. I do install it, but I don't include the video of me installing it. But yeah, so I ended up switching back to a Yuasa, and it's been running great since. Unfortunately, I don't get to save 3 pounds, but oh well.
Two hours later.
Taking off the gas cap, size 4 Allen. I already had some of the screws loose. So this lock was horribly busted. I guess they were able to get it through though, because it opens. There's one screw in the middle, same size 4. We can nicely take that off. So because I didn't want to spend $140 on a stock gas cap, we went with the driven Halo new gas cap. Then we got the cap of the cap in blue. So let's install them. Comes with new screws, so don't need to use the old. Jeez. And here we have the cap in blue. Oh, same thing. Oh, that's a little better. I was hoping the blue would match the bike more, but oh well. Nice dark blue. Looks like there's a scratch on it already. Well, that's nice. Push down and twist. It's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and install it. So we are going to need to use the old gasket. I don't know why there's metal there. Go ahead and pull this one off. There we go. Let's go ahead and clean it up and we can put it on the new one. Okay, so let's see how this is supposed to go. It looks like it almost slides right in. That's pretty good. It wraps around. So we got that top part clipped out. Clip it to your liking. Left side is definitely good, the right side. It's pretty good. Yep, definitely good. So let's drop it in. I'm gonna go ahead and put the gasket on first. Okay, you can go ahead and drop this baby in. So I'm not sure if this gap is normal. There's a lot of wiggle room there. So I ended up contacting Driven. They asked for pictures, size of the screws that it came with. They said they've never heard of the issue. They ended up getting back to me, sending me 20mm Allen screws, put those in, worked perfectly, and I had no problem with that gas cap since. Gas cap going on. It's pretty blue, doesn't match, but whatever. Nice. On the camera it kind of looks like it matches, but it doesn't in person. Different shades of blue. The next thing we'll be swapping out is this. I already took the seat off, but they completely tried prying it, and we got a new one from Yamaha. So I guess the new one already comes with the key, it looks like. I think this one was $50 to $55. So it comes with 2 keys. So now we have 2 set of keys, one for the seat, one for the ignition, and we'll go ahead and install it. We got the battery, got the gas cap, and then we got the passenger pegs. So we'll have a full build list on how much weight we end up removing from the bike. So starting off with the Yuasa 7S weighs 4 pounds, 10 ounces. We'll weigh the lithium one to see how much we lost. We just have to remove it out of the bike. Got passenger pegs with all the screws. So the pegs weigh 1 pound and 4.5 ounces. I'm gonna remove the lock out of here. So we got that in there. So the stock gas cap with all the screws that weighs 12.3 ounces. Not as heavy. It feels much heavier. And then we'll weigh the new stuff. 3 ounces. Driven gas cap with the lid weighs 4.9 ounces. 1 pound, 2.7 ounces. Not bad. I don't know how much the stock one weighs, so I don't know how much weight we're saving, but we can call it at least a pound because that thing is massive. Unfortunately, I didn't get a video of me installing the Yoshimura fender. The clips didn't end up coming out so great, and one problem though that I will say is that I had, since the stock fender was gone, I didn't have the original wiring to splice. So I ended up having to crimp and cut the connector off the main harness from the bike, cut that and crimped it with the Yoshimura wiring, unfortunately. Wow. That hurt. Oh, it's in here, damn it. Thanks for watching this video. I'll be posting soon on replacing the ignition switch, as well as replacing the stator with the rectifier, and then also installing a quick shifter. I'm gonna try and start editing the videos sooner and faster, so I'll be having more content, as well as starting to mod the bike and install mods. Thanks.